Welcome to Reading with Neha. Let's have some fun.
Hi guys, today we're going to learn a book called Bear and Bird Lend a Helping Hand by Johnny Lambers. Bear and Bird were happy. It's a sunny and warm today. Bees buzzed among the beautiful flowers. Spring was on its way. Bear and Bird's new pretty plant has outgrown his little part. Time to plant it on the ground, said Bear. Here's a perfect spot. The hole can't be too big, chips Bird. Otherwise our plant won't grow. As Bear marked the spot, his friends appeared. What's he doing? They wanted to know. Bird helped clear the nearby ground, and Bear began to dig. Then Bird tripped a warning, watch out, the hole's getting too big. Then Bear popped up. Two rabbits asked, are you good at planting trees? We don't know much about gardening. Can you help us, please? Wow, gasped Bear. That's a very small pot for such a big, tall tree. Don't worry, Bear, we can plant it together, chips Bird happily. While Bear was digging, the animals gathered. No one made a peep. Bird lent Bear a helping hand. This hole has got to be deep. Everyone cheered as Bear placed the tree. It was a perfect fit. The tree was full of nectar. All the bees loved it. This good deed done. Bear smiled. I can plant our flower as planned. And suddenly, please, would you, lend us a helping hand? Bird helped Bear dig and plant every flower and every bush and tree. There were so many different plants, perfect for the bees. Bear was eager to plant their flower, but Bird made sure to say, before we begin, this hole is a bit too big for a flower. Let's fill it back in. Why are there so many bees? Asked Bird. Bear smiled. Let's take a look. I'm sure it'll tell us somewhere in our little gardening book. They sat and read their gardening book in their new wooded wonderland. Bird, thank you so much, cheered Beard, and for leading me a helping hand. And everybody's tree is planted. The end.
Happy reading! See you until next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.